Hey everyone, welcome back to TechTeam. Ready to transform your car into the ultimate ride? From essential safety tools to innovative accessories that add convenience and comfort, we've curated a list that caters to all your automotive needs. Let's dive in. One, Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan. Stay ahead of car troubles with the Bluetooth Pro OBDII Scan. This device connects to your vehicle's OBDII port and pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to diagnose engine problems and monitor vehicle performance. It provides real-time data, including error codes, fuel efficiency, and more. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, this OBDII scanner is user-friendly and easy to set up. With its compact design, you can keep it in your car for regular checks or emergency diagnostics, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly. 2. MagSafe Phone Charger and Holder. The MagSafe Phone Charger and Holder is a convenient and efficient solution for charging your iPhone on the go. This device combines a magnetic phone holder with a wireless charger, ensuring your phone stays secure and charged while you drive. The strong magnetic attachment ensures stability even on rough roads. This charger and holder can be attached to your car's air vent or dashboard, making it a practical and sleek accessory for any driver. 3. Portable Air Compressor. The Portable Air Compressor is a lifesaver for any driver. This compact, lightweight device can quickly inflate tires, making it perfect for emergencies or regular maintenance. It features a digital display for easy pressure reading and an auto shutoff function to prevent overinflation. With multiple nozzle attachments, it can also inflate bike tires, sports equipment, and other inflatables. The built-in LED light provides illumination in dark environments, ensuring you can use it anytime, anywhere. 4. Parking Aid Block. The Parking Aid Block is your go-to for perfect parking every time. This innovative device helps you park your car perfectly in your garage or parking spot, preventing you from hitting walls or other obstacles. It is constructed from sturdy, premium materials capable of supporting the weight of any vehicle. The bright color and reflective tape make it highly visible, even in low-light conditions. Easy to install and use, this Parking Aid Block is a must-have for any driver looking to protect their vehicle and improve their parking accuracy. 5. Retractable Car Charger. Never run out of juice again with the Retractable Car Charger. It's sleek, smart, and charges both USB-C and Lightning devices simultaneously. Fast charging means less downtime, and the retractable cables keep your car clutter-free. Whether you're Team iPhone or Android, this charger is a must-have for staying powered up on the road. 6. Car Trash Can. The Car Trash Can is a practical solution for keeping your vehicle clean and clutter-free. This compact, waterproof trash can is designed to fit in various places in your car, such as the back of a seat, the console, or the floor. It features a lid to contain odors and a leak-proof lining to prevent spills. The adjustable strap makes it easy to secure in place, ideal for long trips or daily commutes. This car trash can helps you manage waste efficiently, ensuring your car stays tidy and pleasant. 7. Side Mirror Wiper. The side mirror wiper is a small yet effective tool designed to keep your side mirrors clear of rain, snow, and dirt. It features a retractable handle and a soft, flexible blade that gently wipes away moisture and debris without scratching the mirror. This wiper is especially useful during bad weather conditions, ensuring you have a clear view of your surroundings at all times. 8. Steering Wheel Tray. Turn your car into a mobile office with the steering wheel tray. This tray easily attaches to your steering wheel, providing a stable and convenient surface for eating, working on a laptop, or writing. It's made from durable, lightweight materials and can be stored easily when not in use. Ideal for long trips, business travelers, or those who frequently eat on the go, this tray enhances the functionality of your car's interior, making it more like a mobile office or dining area. 9. Car Power Inverter. Power up wherever you go with the Car Power Inverter. This compact device converts your car's DC power into AC power, allowing you to charge laptops, tablets, and other electronic devices. It features multiple outlets and USB ports, providing versatility for various charging needs. With built-in safety features like overload protection and short-circuit prevention, this power inverter ensures safe and reliable use. Perfect for road trips, camping, or business travel, it keeps your devices powered up no matter where you are. 10. Window LED Display. Add a dash of fun to your drive with the Window LED Display. This device allows you to display custom messages or animations on your car's rear window using an LED screen. Controlled via a smartphone app, you can choose from preset messages or create your own. It's perfect for sharing fun messages with other drivers or communicating in traffic. The LED display is bright and visible even in daylight, ensuring your messages are seen clearly. 11. Car Trunk Organizer. Keep your car trunk in check with the Car Trunk Organizer. This sturdy, collapsible organizer features multiple compartments and pockets to store groceries, tools, sports equipment, and other items. It's made from durable, water-resistant materials and includes non-slip strips to keep it securely in place. It's an essential accessory for anyone looking to maintain a tidy and efficient car interior. 12. Car Purse Hook. Keep your car tidy with the Car Purse Hook. This hook easily attaches to the headrest of your car seat, providing a convenient place to hang purses, bags, or other items. It helps keep your belongings off the floor and within easy reach, reducing clutter and enhancing the safety of your car interior. Made from durable materials, this hook can hold heavy items securely. It's perfect for drivers who frequently carry bags and want to keep their cars clean and organized. 13. Windshield Cleaner. Keep your view crystal clear with the Windshield Cleaner. Its ergonomic handle and microfiber cloth pad effectively remove dirt, grime, and streaks without scratching the glass. This cleaner is perfect for interior and exterior use, ensuring clear visibility in all weather conditions. The washable and reusable pads make it an eco-friendly choice. Easy to use and store, this windshield cleaner is a must-have for maintaining a clean and clear windshield. 14. Bat Sunglasses Holders. The Bat Sunglasses holders are a fun and functional accessory for your car. These holders attach to your car's sun visors and provide a secure place to store your sunglasses, preventing them from getting lost or scratched. The Batwing design adds a unique and stylish touch to your car interior. Made from high-quality materials, these holders are perfect for drivers who want a convenient and cool way to keep their sunglasses accessible and protected. 15. Cordless Hand Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your car spotless with this cordless hand vacuum cleaner. This portable, battery-powered vacuum is designed to reach all areas of your car, including tight spaces and under seats. It features strong suction power and multiple attachments to handle different cleaning tasks, from dust and crumbs to pet hair and debris. The cordless design allows for easy maneuverability, and the compact size makes it easy to store. Have you found anything that you were looking for? Give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you never miss the latest in automotive tech. 16. Car Air Freshener. Enjoy a fresh breeze every drive with this Car Air Freshener. This compact device easily clips onto your car's air vent, releasing a steady stream of refreshing fragrance. It's available in various scents to suit your preference, from floral and fruity to clean and crisp. It's a perfect accessory for anyone who wants to enhance their driving experience with a pleasant aroma. 17. Dog Car Seat Cover. If you have a dog or cat that keeps messing up your seats, then this dog car seat cover is a must-have. It is made from a durable, water-resistant material that is easy to clean. It features adjustable straps that securely attach to the headrests, ensuring a snug fit. The non-slip backing keeps it in place, even during bumpy rides. Designed to fit most cars, trucks, and SUVs, this seat cover provides full coverage of the back seat, making it perfect for protecting your vehicle while keeping your pet comfortable and secure. 18. Enhanced Seat Cushion. The enhanced seat cushion is designed to provide superior comfort and support during long drives. This cushion features high-density memory foam that conforms to your body's shape, alleviating pressure points and reducing fatigue. The non-slip bottom keeps the cushion securely in place, while the breathable cover ensures optimal airflow and comfort. It's ideal for anyone who spends much time in their car, from daily commuters to long-distance travelers. 19. Foldable Car Trash Can. This foldable car trash can is a useful accessory for maintaining cleanliness and order in your vehicle. Constructed from sturdy, water-resistant material, this trash can is capable of handling various types of waste. It comes with a lid to trap odors and a leak-proof lining to prevent spills. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store when not needed. Equipped with adjustable straps, it can be securely attached to different spots in your car, such as the back of a seat or the center console. 20. Gun Car Wash Set. This gun car wash set is an all-in-one solution for cleaning your car efficiently. This set includes a high-pressure spray gun, multiple nozzle attachments, and a soap dispenser. The spray gun provides powerful water pressure to remove dirt and grime from your car's exterior. The various nozzles allow for different spray patterns, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. The soap dispenser ensures an even distribution of soap, enhancing the cleaning process. This car wash set is perfect for car enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicle spotless and shiny. 21. Car Seat Gap Filler. This car seat gap filler is a useful accessory that stops items from falling into the gap between your car seats and the center console. Made from durable, flexible materials, these fillers fit snugly in the gap, providing a seamless look. They feature additional pockets for storing small items like phones, keys, and coins, helping to keep your car organized and clutter-free. Easy to install and remove, the gap fillers are compatible with most car models. This simple yet effective solution ensures you never lose items in the seat gap again. 22. Car Door Handle. The car door handle is a convenient tool created to help people with limited mobility. It attaches effortlessly to the car door latch, offering reliable support for entering and exiting the vehicle. Constructed from robust materials, it can hold a significant amount of weight. Its compact design ensures it can be stored easily when not needed. This handle is particularly beneficial for the elderly, pregnant women, or those recovering from surgery. It promotes safety and independence, simplifying the process of getting in and out of the car. 23. Drill Brush Attachment Set. Looking to save time while cleaning your car? Then look no further than this drill brush attachment set. It is a versatile cleaning tool that can be attached to any standard drill. This set includes various brush heads designed for different surfaces, from carpets and upholstery to wheels and tires. The powerful rotation of the drill, combined with the durable bristles of the brushes, makes cleaning quick and effective. These attachments are perfect for deep cleaning your car's interior and exterior, easily removing stubborn stains and dirt. This set is ideal for anyone looking to save time and effort while achieving a thorough cleaning. 24. Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. Unlock your car's potential with the Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. This set includes various tools designed to remove car trim, molding, and panels without damaging your vehicle's surface. Made from durable, impact-resistant nylon, these tools are lightweight yet strong. They are ergonomically designed for ease of use, reducing the risk of scratches and dents. Whether you're upgrading your sound system or performing routine maintenance, this tool set provides everything you need for safe and efficient trim removal. 25. Emergency Kit. Prepare for the unexpected with the Emergency Kit. This kit features crucial items, including a first aid kit, jumper cables, a tow rope, a multi-tool, and a reflective safety vest. It comes in a small, sturdy bag that fits conveniently in your trunk. Created to give you peace of mind, this kit makes sure you're equipped for any unexpected situations while driving. Whether you face a flat tire or a minor injury, having this emergency kit available can be crucial for your safety and getting back on the road swiftly. 26. Car Window Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter. The car window breaker and seatbelt cutter is a life-saving tool designed for emergency situations. This compact device features a sharp blade for cutting through seatbelts and a hardened steel tip for breaking car windows. It's small enough to fit in your glove compartment or center console, ensuring it's always within reach. In the event of an accident, this tool can help you or your passengers escape quickly and safely. 27. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Upgrade your car's tech game with the wireless CarPlay adapter. This device allows you to convert your existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a wireless one, providing seamless connectivity without the hassle of cables. It supports both Apple and Android devices, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of smartphones. The adapter is easy to install and pairs quickly with your phone, allowing you to enjoy hands-free calling, music streaming, navigation, and more. 28. Snow Brush with Ice Scrapers. Gear up for winter with the Snow Brush with Ice Scrapers. This multifunctional device features a sturdy snow brush on one end and a dual-purpose ice scraper on the other. The brush easily removes snow from your car's windows, mirrors, and roof, while the ice scraper effectively clears frost and ice. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, this tool is designed to withstand harsh winter conditions. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for easy use even in freezing temperatures. Keep this essential tool in your car for quick and efficient snow and ice removal. 29. Car Seat Storage Hanging Bag. The car seat storage hanging bag is a practical accessory for organizing your car's interior. This multifunctional bag hangs from the back of your car seat, providing easy access to various compartments and pockets. It's perfect for storing items like tablets, water bottles, snacks, toys, and more. The high-quality, durable materials ensure long-lasting use, while the adjustable straps make it easy to install in any vehicle. This hanging bag helps you keep your car neat and tidy, making it ideal for families, commuters, and road trips. 30. Tissue holder. The tissue holder is a convenient accessory for keeping tissues readily accessible in your car. This holder easily attaches to your car's sun visor, seat back, or center console, ensuring tissues are always within reach when needed. It's designed to fit most tissue box sizes and can also hold napkins or wipes. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this tissue holder is both functional and stylish, blending seamlessly with your car's interior. So, what do you think about these incredible car gadgets? Which ones are you most excited to try out? Comment below. Until next time, happy driving!